Right, thanks, guys. Well, the days have gotten shorter and the nights get a little colder, so it could get us down a little bit. Here with some tips to help you and your family shake off the winter blues is Dr. Harold Naiman with HealthCare Partners of Nevada. And Dr. Naiman, I know you're not a cute puppet like the girls got to do a story on, but if you want to talk about children and their behavior with the evening coming sooner, the darkness, you can.
Thank you for inviting me again. Pleasure to be here.
Sure.
It's difficult to deal with change. Change is tough for adults and probably just as tough for children. I think we want to set some consistent routines. I think bedtime should occur basically at the same time every evening, even on weekends probably.
Okay.
I think we should have, as the puppets displayed, patterns where we can try and gently make a transition from wakefulness to sleepiness for the child.
Okay.
So it's probably good to read a story or a fairy tale, if mother can remember the fairy tales, or possibly dad.
Right.
Avoid things that are going to stimulate the child too much, so I don't think the latest video game would be reasonable to play just before bedtime.
Okay. Kids are loving that.
Oh,
they like that rule.
Yeah, they do. There's lots of time during the day.
Yeah.
I think we should eat healthily. As the days get shorter, we try to gravitate to more unhealthy foods, fatty foods, and carby foods, and we should avoid that as much as possible, and certainly not eat too soon to the bedtime.
Yeah.
I would try and set some patterns, I would say rituals, but as I said, make the room comfortable, not too hot, pretty dark, maybe a night light, just low ambient light. Try not get into a pattern of sleeping in the bed with the child. That's going to get them used to that situation, and they'll find it difficult to sleep without the parent around. And never make sleep a punishment, like you're going to go right to bed because you didn't behave or you didn't finish your dessert, your vegetables. Forget dessert, vegetables.
That's right. Yeah. Well, dessert, so you can eat that in dark
Anytime.
or light out.
That's
yeah,
right.
It doesn't matter. Well, Dr. Naiman, thank you. Some good tips from you. And hey, we just move on to the next season, and we all have fun.
That's right.
At the best we can. Thank you. Appreciate it. And the LA Kings are better than the Anaheim Ducks.
Never.
We're gonna have a little hockey argument, Rachel, while you take it over, even though there's a lockout.
I'm a Chicago team fan. All right.